Whoa, let's see. Alright. What it do, you guys? It's your boy George back at it again with one of the daily vlogs, and this time, yes, I will be working on the Z. And yes, the wrap did get here, but first I'm gonna wash it, bring it inside the garage, and we're gonna get this done. I think today I'm gonna try to knock out the door and the quarter panel, at least to get something out of the way. And you guys do get to see the new color. You do get to see the new color. Alright, let's get this going. I want to give out a pretty big shout out to Voodoo Rag. They are one of my sponsors, but as you can see, I do use this a lot. Actually, my dad was actually washing one of the trucks. We use their products all the time. I'll put the link down below where you can guys get some of the stuff and just check them out, man. They're really cool people too. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. Let me zoom this out real quick. Right here. For my little, ASMR people. I know you like that. I know you like that. Look. Ooh, look at all that green stuff. That's pretty good. In the garage. It's clean. I'm about to dry everything out, then just clean it. Take some of the other wrap off. And I'm gonna teach you guys how to take everything off so I can go ahead and try to wrap it. Alright, so basically what you guys need to take everything off is take off this. There's gonna be something in here, just use a little flathead. I think this is a 10mm. And you also have one down here. There's two. There's two right here. I already took those off. I'm about to take this one off. And I'll show you how it looks in a little bit. Let me take off the bolts from right here. From right here, it should come off pretty easy. So you're gonna have to take these off for the door. It's kind of hard with one hand, but let me see if I can try. One. There goes. Second one. And then you gotta unplug this down here. Alright, once you get these two unplugged, it should come off pretty easy. Just put it somewhere on the side or somewhere that you know it's not gonna be touched or damaged or anything. Then take these off. There's 3 of them. Also unplug it right here. And these are 10mm. Come out pretty easy. Yeah, put that somewhere that it won't get hurt. And this ain't wrap on these are overlays. I'll actually put a link so you I'll show you this side. I'll put a link down below so any of you guys that have Z's or anything want to cop it, I'll let you guys know. Alright, then from there you take off the screw. I don't know if I said it earlier in the video. Take it off and just push it up. It should come off. And also put this somewhere where you don't lose it. Now it's time to take off all this extra wrap. Then I can put the new one on. Off your door handle, there's like two little spongy thingies, whatever these. You can just use the fathead to take it out. Then this one and this one would also be a 10mm. Just be very careful it don't fall, and then you're gonna have to get another one, and that's gonna suck. Take it off these two bolts. You just come out, it's gonna come out pretty easy, like that. And you're gonna want to take it off from right here, and you have to unscrew it down here. So I'll try to get a better view. Just plug it from right here. Take it off like that, and unscrew the little part where, let me see. That's right. It's these two, and the door handle can come off. Alright, since I forgot this is the door side, you gotta take this one off, just unscrew right there, and then you get it free, unscrew those two right there, and you're ready to go. Just like that, everything's off. Remember, keep all your bolts, you don't want to lose it, none of that stuff. And then put it right here. About to take off all this extra wrap. And just, you know, I mean, you guys are not gonna have extra wrap or anything, but once you do clean it down, don't be lazy, man. Clean all your little cracks and everything, and all your little sides, all that thing's dirty. If you want a really good, clean looking nice wrap, just clean that up and you're ready to rock and roll. Nah, I just started. I was doing like a tutorial. I got a tutorial, man. I lost my charger. My guy, relax. But look who came to help. Boy, you can't even see you, bro. You're too dark. Step back. Step back. Yeah. There you go. Hey. Now that the door's done, you just basically fix it all up, put everything back to normal, and you'll see the end result. Go. So we ended up finishing the rest of the car. Right, my guy?
Sir.
And side skirt's over there done. All that's left is the trunk, the wing, and the rear bumper. Yes. But yeah, shout out to my boy Now. Came in clutch. We basically got everything done with the side skirts right there. Everything's basically done. Just gotta finish some other parts, but that's gonna be for next time. That's it. We basically got everything done, and we'll probably finish everything off the next time when we do another vlog. But thank you guys. Hopefully this video actually helped you for anything to do the door, some other stuff. I know I kind of didn't record and finish the car, but we just had to get it done. We're about to go eat right now, so see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.
All I gotta say, stay away from the fake. I just told that bitch to give me face, get out my place. We got on revenge, you shot by pillars day to day. Make $250,000 in a month, ain't got the date. I just wanna feed my family like every day.